So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /start component cleanup. And then click on enter. It's now going to start running the scan. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, we can now close out of this. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in task scheduler. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to expand task scheduler library. And now you want to expand Microsoft. And now you want to expand Windows. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. And now you want to click on the servicing folder. We're going to scroll down and then click on servicing. And now this will come up. You want to find start component cleanup. You want to click on it and then select run, which will now make the status running. Wait for this to load. You want to wait for like 1 or 2 minutes and then you want to select end and then click on yes, which will now make the status ready. For the last step, you want to restart your computer. And then the WinSXS folder should now be cleaned up.